Did that work for you? Well, that's great. Now, I've stopped my program. To make it easier for you to see, I've increased my font size of the label. I'm going to run it again. When I press it, make a note of that, 0.705, etc. I'm going to stop the program, and I'm going to run it again. Make a note, 0.705. Well, it's coincidence. Let's press re-randomize. 533. And stop it. Run again. 0.705. 533. You can see what's actually happening is it's randomizing the number, but it's always the same set of randomizing numbers that it comes up with. I'll try and explain why. Computers find it very difficult to be random. That's contrary to their purpose. We like computers because we know exactly what they're going to do beforehand. So to ask it to do something totally random, it can't quite cope with, because it doesn't like doing it. So it's giving the appearance of a random number. Now, although this isn't the way it does it, I'll give you an example of how you could do the same. If you were to Google the value pi, and you could find this number. Now, if I was just to say take 5 digits from here, 14159, seemingly that could be a random number. Take another 5 digits, 26535, again that could be a random number, and so on and so forth. 89793 is what we're doing here is we're using a mathematical sequence to produce what seems to be a set of 5 random digits. Sometimes those will begin in 0, sometimes they won't. If you then put a 0 point in front of that, you will always get a number that appears to go between 0 and 1. Now, this is an oversimplification of how the computer actually makes random numbers, but it explains why when you ask it to produce a random number time and time again, it will give you the same set of supposedly random numbers. To prevent this from happening, what I want to do is I want to initialize the random number, and that will actually make a new random number. Now, to initialize, it's very simple. I just type the word randomize. And it calls up a function. We know it's a function because of the curved brackets at the end. Now when I run this, press the button, 0.67, it's great, stop, run again, press the button, 0.65, similar but different, run again, press the button, 0.58. You can see every time I now stop and restart this program, it gives me a truly random number. Right, so I would like you now to make a small change to your program and add the function randomize so that it will re-initialize a random number every time this program is run. Then give it a quick test. Away you go.